Question 5. Benny is 7 years older than Aisha. Chloe is twice as old as Benny. The sum of their 3 ages is 57. Work out the ages of Aisha, Benny, and Chloe. So this type of question is algebra based, and where I'll start is by making Benny, we call it B, and we're told that Benny is 7 years older than Aisha. So B equals whatever Aisha's age is, so A plus 7. Chloe, which is C for Chloe, I'll call that, is twice as old as Benny, so C is whatever Benny is times 2. Okay, so we're told that the sum of their 3 ages is 57. So meaning that Aisha A plus Benny B plus Chloe C equals 57. So to find out Aisha, Benny, and Chloe's age in this question, what we'll need to do is first kind of put all of these into one letter in a sense. So we have B and C. That doesn't really mean anything to us right now. But what we can do is rewrite all of this in terms of A, okay? So we've kind of already been told, we've already got what Benny is in terms of A. So Benny is A plus 7, Aisha plus 7. So we can use that information to get Chloe in terms of A, because we know Chloe is 2 times Benny. So we can replace that as 2 times A plus 7, because we know that Benny, B, is A plus 7. So we can substitute A plus 7 in for B, right? So we expand that, we get 2A plus 14. So Chloe is the same as 2 times Aisha's age plus 14. So now we have this, we can now substitute our B and our C into here, okay? So we will now have A plus, now B becomes A plus 7, and C now becomes 2A plus 14, and that all equals us 57. Then we combined all the A's together, so we have 4A plus 21 equals 57. And we just solve this equation. So we'll move 21 to the other side. So we have 57 take away 21. And 4A then will equal 36. And then A will equal 36 divided by 4, which equals 9. So Aisha's age will be 9. Okay, and then utilizing that information, we can get Benny's age. So Benny will be Aisha's age, 9 plus 7, which is 16. And Chloe will be basically 2 times Benny, so 2 times 16, which is 32. So Benny will be 16, and I know Chloe's, you can't see it here, but Chloe will equal 32 years old.